Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the overview page of the collector application in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the collector app, he or she is displayed with the overview screen of the same. Here, the user can view summary cards which display the total accounts receivable for the organization in terms of the value of the invoices and the count based on the invoices that are present. They are categorized based on the types of accounts that are receivable. The trend chart displays a comparison of the planned and actual amount in terms of both the billing and the actual collection scenario. The user can hover over the graph to get a detailed view of the value for each month. Finally, the overdues of each customer in terms of payment is displayed under the overdues based on customer table. The user can view more data by selecting the Items per Page button. All the data within these charts can be modified and retrieved based on condition using the Apply Filters button. Thank you for watching.